केशवानंद भारती. Are you a history enthusiast? Do you love law? Then I am at the perfect place where you should be. This is, in fact, the National Judicial and, in fact, Museum and Archives that has been set up inside the Supreme Court of India. You can see right behind me is the motto of, in fact, the Supreme Court, Yato Dharmastha Jaya. In fact, the logo goes on to say, where there is dharma, there is victory. This is, in fact, a board to any museum lover, any history lover, any law lover. And you can see right behind me is the journey of the Indian law, the Indian judiciary, and in fact, how the Supreme Court and the courts in India have actually gone to evolve. These are in fact the mazes that were used in the earlier times at the Supreme Court, and how in fact the law has evolved is a perfect example. And you can see here, this is the 21st century chair of the Supreme Court judge. This, if I show you, is the judge's chair of the Supreme Court of India of the 20th century. Take you into a time machine, taking you back to the British era, and you can see the artifacts. These are, in fact, the chairs of, in fact, the Federal Court of India in New Delhi. And you can see these old artifacts. In fact, these are the wigs of the judges that were worn by them and those particular time.
Another week or 10 days.
Taking you forward on this journey of this time travel of the legal system in India, I take you towards the Constituent Assembly, the basic foundation where the Constitution of India was actually drawn. This museum that has been set up inside the topmost court of the country, the apex court of the country, is and inaugurated by the 50th Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, who also encapsulates India's journey of independence and how the law had evolved during that independence period. If you see right behind me, this is in fact the journey that has been showcased in the utmost modern and tradition, in fact, the modern ways, and how the technology has been used to tell you this tale of the Indian law.